Hello and welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. This is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today we are going to be addressing a viewer request. Someone who is curious about Ecoline Liquid Watercolor. As you may know, we picked this up last year and there was a small demo piece that was like my test doodle at home that actually made it into the catalog. She really liked that piece and wanted me to talk a little bit more about Ecoline and how I did that. But I don't do anything twice, and I definitely don't do it the same way. So I've got a little beta here already sketched out, so we'll do that, and I'll show you a little bit about how Ecoline works. So we got Kilimanjaro 300-pound block here. I'm just going to wet this area and flood it with some water. Now, as you notice, my sketch was done in charcoal. It bleeds everywhere. Don't care. Doesn't matter. Whatever I don't like, I can take out later. So we're going to wet this down quite a bit. So you can see it's like soppy wet and stuff. Now, the nice thing about Ecoline is it is dye-based. It's extremely intense color. You could pour directly into this if you wanted to. I guess my reference point picture is not all that important. We'll have them put it up here for you. I'm not going to be able to finish this in 2 minutes, ha ha ha. But I wanted to show you a little bit about how Ecoline works and how it flows and behaves on the paper. Like I said, it's extremely intense, dye-based color. It is not waterproof. They say that, it can be picked up and reworked. I found that to be a little bit difficult in the past, but and because it's dye-based, the light fastness is a little bit less than what you might be used to with traditional watercolor. But we're gonna clean this up a little bit, and then we'll add some other color in here. Now, I've just got a little 6 set. Ecoline comes in 37 colors, something like that. So there are plenty of them out there. And one of the things that you might want to look at is we have a 6 set and we also have a 10 set, which allows you a little bit more variety. I will use my Ecoline with the addition of some other watercolor, not just this, because I have a little bit of trouble executing with just that. And so I'll probably actually even put some pencil in there, colored pencil in there if I want to and stuff like that. But you can see we got a real nice start, some real bright color happening in there. Don't be afraid of it. I mean, my gosh. So we will show you how this thing ends up. I have Jen put our finished piece up here when I put the final touches on it. Take a look at Ecoline. It is an extremely intense liquid watercolor that we have here at Cheap Joe's, and it's a heck of a lot of fun, a really unique behavioral style to it, and we are sure that you will enjoy it.